Siobhan Cruz with MoodSociety.com. Welcome to Intro to Fashion Illustration. First, let's lightly sketch in our plumb line. The plumb line is a vertical line that runs down the center of your page. This line will help balance your figure, making sure the body is symmetrical. Starting with the head, let's draw in a small circle on the bottom with a larger circle on top. Lightly blend these two together, forming a nice oval or egg shape. The 9-head system for fashion illustration uses the head as one unit of measurement for the length of the body, elongating it for a slender, fashionable look. Let's practice sketching in our head just as we did along the side of your page. Starting at 1 all the way down to 9. Now let's take a look at our life model print in a front-facing pose. We're going to use this to identify the basic shapes within the human form. Let's start off with the head. We can easily see the shapes. Locate your shoulders. Draw in the cylinder for the neck. Draw in a tapered box for the torso and a tapered box for the pelvis. Let's sketch in long, slender cylinders for the upper part of the arm and tapered cylinders for the lower part of the arm. We're going to use long, tapered cylinders for the thigh and upper part of the leg. Draw in ball joints for the knee and long tapered cylinders for the lower parts of the legs. Sketch in ball joints for the wrist, triangles for the hands, ball joints for the elbow, and wedge shapes for the shoulder slopes. Add in ball joints for the ankle and cone-shaped cylinders for the feet. Now, we're going to apply those same shapes to our illustration. Start by identifying the nape of the neck and sketch in the cylinder shape. I like to lightly sketch in a head on either side of my figure, just to give me a good idea of how wide I want my shoulders. Sketch in the tapered box for your torso. And a tapered box for the pelvis. Wedges for shoulder slopes. Long tapered cylinders for the thigh. Draw in long tapered cylinders for the lower part of the leg, wider at the top for the calf, tapered down below towards the ankle. Now sketch in the long cone-shaped cylinders for the feet, and long cylinders for the upper part of the arm, and tapered cylinder for the lower part of the arm. Sketch in the triangle shapes for your hands, and add in the ball joints for your knees, ankles, elbows, shoulders, and wrists. Now I'm going to go over each shape just a little darker so you can see how I define the shapes of the body. Here's a final look at our fashion figure using basic shapes. I'm Siobhan Cruz with MoodSociety.com. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to tune in next time as we flesh out our fashion figure.